This is the ORAP. I am Davina. Here are the stories making headlines today. Two former ministers of national security, the Jamaica Labour Party's Robert Montague and the People's National Party's Peter Bunting, have been identified by the Integrity Commission as allowing people of questionable character to be issued with firearm licenses. In a special report released to the media by Parliament last night, the Commission also bashed two former boards of the Firearm Licensing Authority and suggested that a former Deputy Chairman, Dennis Meadows, could face charges for his role in the granting of a firearms license to a relative. A 3-year-old girl has died after being hit by a car along the Bull Bay Main Road in St. Andrew on Wednesday. She is Shadeen Martin. Reports are that about 6:15 p.m., the driver of a Honda Civic motor car was traveling towards St. Thomas when Shadeen allegedly ran into the path of the vehicle and was hit. She was taken to hospital where she was pronounced dead. In other news, a police corporal assigned to the St. Mary Division allegedly committed suicide this morning. The body of Corporal Osborne Zimenez was found at his St. Catherine home. Reports said that the police were summoned to Zimenez's home and found the cop on a bed with a single gunshot wound to the head and a firearm in his hand. Former People's National Party Chairman Robert Pickersgill says a sympathetic donor repaid the more than $30 million that Dutch oil lifting firm Trafficking gave to the PNP government in 2006. Pickersgill is one of the 5 functionaries of the PNP who are being questioned in the Supreme Court regarding the controversial $31 million donation by Trafficking, which at the time traded oil for Jamaica on the international market. A Jamaican man was charged with 28 counts of drug-related offenses last week in Daytona Beach, Florida, after the completion of a 5-month narcotics probe into his illicit dealings. According to Fox 35 Orlando News, 21-year-old Romario J. Burrows faces multiple counts of trafficking and delivery of fentanyl, heroin, and meth, as well as conspiracy and other charges. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Davina.